Step number 15. Click the General Fund Revenue. Here in the General Fund Revenue tab, select the range from A1 to A3, just like this. And in the Home tab, in the cell group, click the Insert and click Insert Sheet Row. Here you will have 3 rows above. After that, click Insert tab, and then in the text group, click Word Art button. After clicking the Word Art button, in the first row, click second thumbnail, this one. You will have a box like this, your text here. You will have a fill blue accent one shadow. Check the name before inserting. In this text group, write Aspen Falls Revenue. Select this and write ASPNFALLSLREVENUE revenue, just like this. After that, select the text like this. A mini toolbar should appear like this. A mini bar should appear, and change the font size to 36 here. Now try to select and drag all the way here and try to centerize it. You need to put it in the center. From range A1 to A3, here. I think it is in center. So moving towards the step number 16.